the stuff we put in there. We gave them enough food for 100 days.
Which is healthy, but basically the exact same thing over and over again.
We also gave them their own private bathroom, which comes with a shower, and obviously has no cameras inside.
And a bed to sleep on. They have everything they need to survive 100 days. It's just a question of, do they want it?
I got a comb. I don't know if I've ever combed my hair in my life.
Interesting.
See how they're both standing on different sides of the room? They're so awkward. When I had them take their blindfolds off, that was legitimately the first time they had ever met.
I just keep thinking of the feeling, like, of exiting.
Oh, yeah.
How good is that gonna feel? It's only 100 sleeps.
Only 100 sleeps.
And then the world will have just kept going. Mm-hmm. That's like what freaks me out.
The most interesting part of this experiment is that in this room, you have no idea what day or time it is. And already on night one, Susie and Bailey made the mistake of only sleeping for 2 hours. Which means they started their second day at 2:37 a.m.
I'm just gonna act like this is just the new normal.
Okay, what do you want to eat?
Are you feeling beef or chicken?
Chicken.
Chicken sounds great.
That is sickening. It's good.
As you can see, living inside a white cube is pretty boring. Besides eating the same thing over and over, time in the chamber consisted of 2 things. Trying to hide from the bright lights.
The lights are just so bright that we have to make these things to shield ourselves.
And desperate attempts to keep themselves entertained. Like on day 4, when they used the paper from their journals to make a deck of playing cards.
Is he making cards?
All right, so I just finished my deck of cards. I think that they actually came out all right.
Which honestly looked pretty fun. So I made myself a $30,000 seat and joined in. On day 5, they made a sign-in sheet, which was really just an elaborate trick.
What is this?
You have to sign our sign-in sheet.
Oh, these are our camera people.
Yeah, this is everyone that's come in today.
Wait a minute. You're having them do this so you can track the date and the time. Hold up, I need to borrow this.
No, I wrote the date. I wrote the date.
Which I gotta say was pretty smart. But by the time we got to day 7, anything considered smart was thrown out the window.
Bailey's lost it. He's whipping the poor.
Yeah, the veggies never stood a chance. 5 more throws, but I only need 1. Let's freaking go, baby.
It's actually crazy to me that already on day 9 of this challenge, they're bored enough to expose the red line. That if they cross, they lose every dollar of their prize money.
It is now day number 10. How you doing, Nolan?
Good.
And I got a pretty interesting offer. So it looks like they took the $500,000 and put $250 on her side and $250 on his to remind themselves of what's at stake. The whole door opening thing, so dramatic. How's it going? We're about to reveal the most interesting part of the challenge. I need you two to just face this wall.
They don't even know that there's a door back here.
Let's do this. This is their first time seeing the outside world in 10 years.
You are kidding me.
Now,
The sky.
every 10 days, I will give you something that will make the challenge easier.
But if you actually want it, you'll have to pay for it with some of your prize money. And first, for day 10,
We're gonna give you the option to buy a private chef that will cook you whatever you want between now and the end of the challenge for $50,000.
before you answer, if you want to give up some of your prize money,
We're gonna let you have a nice meal.
Use this as a floor for your imagination as to what you could be eating for 90 more days.
You are kidding me.
50 grand's a lot, though.
Okay, let's not think about it right now.
These look like some people that have only ate canned chicken for 10 days.
I love just looking at